everyone, this is Lucy with WTI, and this is my new Fitbit watch, Charge 6. So what I love about this watch is it records your steps, your miles, your heart rate, exactly the number of your heart rate, which is awesome. It also has the feature of checking your messages. When you can't find your phone, you just look at your watch and look at the message you just received. Perfect for someone like me who has to multitask. Finding your phone option. Who hasn't lost their phone, right? This is a great feature. Once it locates your phone, you'll hear a ring, and hopefully you would have found your phone by that time. It also has different exercise. You can do dancing, CrossFit, cross training, canoeing. It has about 39 exercises you can click on. I like to do running. Then you just press start and it logs in how much time you spent on that exercise, and then when you're all done, it'll give you a summary of your exercise. I love my new Fitbit watch, Charge 6, and that's my point of view.